welcome back to my channel. This is DT Daily Tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Revell V Plus 5G. Make sure that the phone is powered off. Once it is powered off, locate the volume up in the power button. Press and hold both buttons. Once the phone turns on, remove your finger off of the power button. You feel that little vibration. Continue holding the volume up. Once you see this picture, press the power volume up, scroll down, wipe data factory reset, scroll down, factory data wipe, reboot system. That's all you gotta do, my friends. And once the phone comes on, it will be wiped clean. The only thing that you would need to verify if you had the Gmail logged in is the Gmail, and after that you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.